You are a right place. Today in this video, I'll tell you about Godaddy.com. If you want to buy a Godaddy domain, this is a very interesting video for you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting video. So in this video, I tell you about something more information about Godaddy.com. Dear audience, I tell you about Godaddy.com. Bring your business online with their domain. First of all, I tell you about its features and function about translation. So thank you for watching this video. If you live in a USA, this is a very interesting way to buy domain for your website as a low as just 716 rupees, or if you compare, this is a just 3 or $4 for first year. So if you want to buy your domain, so uh, you can search here your domain. So there are audience more tool to grow your business. We know about for domain, but check out their first experimental to take your business future online. Website plus marketing. Create a professional website that I take your business future thanks to built into like and SEO marketing. Get started for free. No credit, no car required. If you want to start, so click here and start your for domain. Professional email. Show a custom you are a pro with a email address that matches your domain. Get a professional email today as low as 129 rupees per month. This is charges 129 rupees. Trust by 20 million customers around the world. So excellent customer service spoke with a live. Then you need information. Customer service is responsive. All your questions we answered. Getting a live expert on the phone. That a only way to provide quality customer. If in phone only way to provide. Thank you. Godaddy is my go-to partner website and social management. As a web expert, how is it better? It drive traffic, a professional result, and a quality time. Google Under and a Jeff Paid, GoDaddy customer. You can see Trust Spoiler, 4.5 star out of base in a uh, 13,300 and 33,362 reviews showing above 4 and 5-star review. GoDaddy would love to help seriously. It is still sure that you need give you a call. We are happy to help. We even if you are not customer to call, if you are can call, get help to get back to you son we can. Disclaimer: need help our award winning sport team. You can call, and we love taking your GoDaddy guidelines. So dear audience, this is a very interesting way. So a clear plan. You can see your business will look a better than earn your customer trust with a professional email address and matches your business name. Choose the right plan for your business. Individual idea for getting your business up and running. So their audience with the annual term and 27% off you pay revenue March 2023. Their audience, if you want to add card, email that match your domain and 10 GB of email storage, mobile friendly webmail, calendar, content and stack. Task working with a email app for your choice. Email that match your domain. 25 GB of email storage. Mobile friendly webmail. Sharing calendar and content with your team. Assign tasks to your team member. Work with the email as for your choice. Both plan included. Modern attractive webmail portal and many more full text search. Add a free email 99.9% guarantee up to time. You can see 24 hours and 7-day award winning support, world class data security and spam filtering. Professional email is good for your business and we update and elevated your professional email to make it more simple, source and mobile friendly. Now you can scan all your account across all devices, promote your business every time you send and receive email, manage folders and more. Plus its cost. Webmail that work as a hard you do. Our intuitive webmail portal allow you to manage your digital space with a customizable widget, a news weather sports and more. Get a sneak preview of attachment. View the content of the email attachment without launching application. Render perfectly across all devices. So the audience stay in scan with a calendar, schedule appointment, transfer events from other calendar apps and invite to get reminder on all your device. You can always is the loop. We got you covered. So that audience you can see something more. World class security. You are stay safe, industry leading spam virus alert and a best class security. We block over 30 million unwanted, potentially dangerous email security and something more. We Godaddy love and CC. So if you have any question and professional email frequently you can ask. Their audience something more. If you want to buy a domain, so website. Okay, all hosting option. GoDaddy all hosting option. Our hosting solution range the web hosting and a blazing fast dedicated server and find it is alright. A web hosting Linux website, ASP.NET, business hosting, WordPress, e-commerce, site management tool, VPS hosting, dedicated server. You can see the plan. Web hosting more e- economical plan and optimize WordPress website. WordPress e-commerce hosting and safely set up your online store with a 75 free WooCommerce extension dedicated speedway e-commerce site plugging heavy CMS or heavy traffic site. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to know about godaddy.com, please like our video and leave a comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care yourself.